Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
This lesson shows you how to create basic bitmap images using Paint in Windows 11. While you have more flexibility creating and editing images if using a more sophisticated program like Adobe Photoshop or even Paint 3D, Paint is included with Windows 11 to give all users the ability to create basic images. To start Paint in Windows 11, click the Search button in the Windows taskbar to show the search pane. Then click into the Type Here to Search field at the top of the search pane and type Paint. To open the Paint app, then click the Paint app in the search results listing. Alternatively, to pin the Paint app to the Pinned section of the Start menu or pin it to the taskbar, right-click the app icon in the search results, and then click either the Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar buttons in the pop-up menu that appears to pin the app to either location for easier access in the future. After you open Paint, it automatically creates a new blank image file for you within which you can immediately start creating image content. To create a new Paint image file when working in Paint in Windows 11 if needed, click the File command in the ribbon of the Paint app window. Then click the New command in the drop-down menu that appears. If you have unsaved changes in the current file, you are prompted whether to save those changes in a confirmation message box that appears. Click the desired response button in this message box to continue.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.